Papa no be my fault way. Mama no be my fault way. Papa no be my fault way. Fine ladies they like me. Mama no be my fault way. Some men they jealous me. Oburoko my fault. Oburoko my fault. Woke up na maluma jide go no masaga dilili loyal. If they want my cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
They say they want my cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
No be my fault,
oh my sweet cassava.
Mood they don't cry,
oh my sweet cassava.
Say if they give you sugar to lick you go
oh
say
my
no.
Sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
I be they give you honey to lick you go
oh
say
my
no.
Sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
My name is Ekezie.
oh my sweet cassava.
I didn't handsome ejikwa mu kochi kochi.
Back here. Are you deaf? I said you should come here. Why were you two looking at me like that without greeting?
No, we were not looking at you.
Listen. Are you trying to say that Njideka is blind?
No, that is not what I'm saying.
What was on your minds while you were looking at me?
Nothing.
You, what is your name?
My name is Uju.
Good. Uju, what was on your mind while you were looking at me?
Huh?
You may change or something, oh? Are you deaf? Now come here. Both of you, come closer to me. Now. Closer. For not greeting me and harboring evil against me, I'm going to punish both of you.
No, we had no evil in mind against you.
Shut up and kneel down.
But
shut up! Kneel down. This minute. You think I'm joking? Kneel down. Carry your pots and walk with me. Ngwa, be walking, let me see you. You're going to the stream. Keep walking. Ngwa, keep walking. Ngwa, keep walking. Keep walking. Next time, you will greet me. Next time you see Njideka, somebody will not tell you to greet her. Ngwa, Ngwa. If you fall, if you fall down, you start afresh. Ngwa, next time.
Njideka, the woman I want to marry. succulent and sexy curves. See, if I should handle this body, only the gods know what I would do. You don't know anything. Don't know.
Oh, you're beautiful.
Oh my sweet cassava, baby tomato. Oh my sweet cassava, take a step.
That is the kind of man that is worthy to be called my husband. That is the man.
No. I am the man that wants to marry you. It's me. Just allow me see your kinsmen. And once I present everything that is needed, I will take you home. I will finish you.
What's wrong with you now, What's wrong with you? Is this what we discussed? Baby, see, I am the one that will marry you. Don't mind him, he's just my escort. I am the one that will marry you. I know you find me attractive. I know you find me attractive.
Did I not tell you? You don't mind him. It is me. I want to marry you. Allow me. Just say yes. Let me handle all of this. All of this body. Smooth body.
What happened? I don't know. Meet me the other side, I'm coming,
Oh my sweet cassava, baby tomato. Oh my sweet cassava, take a step potato.
Say if they give you sugar to lick, you go for me tam. Abi if they give you honey to lick, you go say no. Papa no be my fault way, Mama no be my fault way, Papa no be my fault way. Fine ladies they like me, Mama no be my fault way. Some men they jealous me. Oburo for my fault, Oburo for my fault. Woke up na maluma jide go no masaga dilili loyal. If they want my cassava,
Oh my sweet cassava,
they say they want my cassava.
oh my sweet cassava.
No be my fault.
Jideka, why are you walking along the road and smiling to yourself?
Ebel, the man you won't understand.
Make me understand.
That's by the way, you're back from the farm already.
I'm back, I'm back from the farm.
Okay. There is something I want us to discuss.
You've not told me why you are smiling.
That is part of what I want us to discuss.
What do you want to tell me? Don't
Don't worry, you have to come to my house and see me so I can tell you.
I should come to your house.
Yes.
I should come to your house.
Yes.
Okay. I'll come later.
Okay.
Oh, can you make you?
I will.
Oh my sweet cassava, baby tomato. Oh my sweet cassava, take a step potato.
Say if they give you sugar to lick, you go for me tam. Abi if they give you honey.
When did this start? The love have always been there. But see him today, the cameras and Caro the more. Yes. So I want you to help me. He's your cousin. So what can you do to make this work for me, please? I have never been this serious in my life before. If this is not bothering me, I will not bother you. You know me very well. Please.
My dear, there is no problem about that. All you have to do is to tell me about your feelings. Just tell me about your feelings.
Okay, so tell me, what kind of person is he? What are his likes and dislikes? I want you to tell me everything about him. That is why I invited you. Before, I will take my chance.
That is the spirit. Njideka, one name. Ichiya.
Hey baby, that your cousin is so humble. And you could know the humble. The cousin handsome. Hey! Have you seen his skin? Or the cousin well water Hey! On top of that, he's very wealthy. What else does a maiden want in a man? Hey! If I land him, I will not allow any other maiden to come close to him. Trust me.
But Njideka, how are you going to achieve that? You know my cousin AKC, and its line of trade attracts women.
Don't worry about that. It's me, Njideka. I'm not too in this village. I have my plans.
But are you not counting your chicks before they hatch?
Meaning, you think he's going to reject me? Or Diego? Niona, why? Have you taken a very good look at me? With all my curves and everything, he's going to welcome me with both arms. Are you hearing any whistle?
No, I didn't hear anything.
Gigi!
Greetings, Mude.
Ebe, how are you?
Fine. What are you doing here?
Gigi!
What are you doing here, Sim Gigi?
Calm down, It's just this small thing that I've been begging you. You just one small love like this and I'm okay. I love you.
Don't love me. Don't love me, Biko.
You did not understand what I meant. I did not say I want to love you. I have been, in fact, I am inside the love already, loving you.
Take it back. Did they say I don't need it? Oh, what kind of bad luck is this? I was in a lighter mood before you came here and spoiled it for me.
I am sorry about that. It's just that I have not been myself. I am an incomplete man now. And only one person in this community, in this kingdom, that can make me complete is you. I love you.
You shut up!
Hey!
Enough! What is it? Look at this. Look at this one. Yeah! Me. You don't see all these small maidens that looking for who to love them. You my size. Go and look for your size. Go and look for those maidens that they can even sacrifice to the gods for you to give your love to them. Believe me, I'm not your spec. I'm not your size. I'm not your level. Biko.
Gigi, I saw all those maidens, but I chose one person, and that person is you. I love you with all my heart.
You are talking rubbish. Turn around.
I should turn around?
Come and hug me. If you come close to me, we can turn around.
I mean, I should.
I thought you said you love me.
Hey, plenty love. I even want to sing a song for you.
Turn and start singing. Turn.
I am looking for my love. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my love. Njide ka love mo. Should I turn? I am looking for my love. Njide.
I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my sengemenge. Gigi. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi. Njide ka blush ba. Abokwana mobi. My sengemenge blush ba. Abokwana mobi.
Njideka love me.
Abokwa na mobi.
Gigi, Gigi.
Abokwa na mobi.
Gigi na ngude na chogi.
Abokwa na mobi.
Njideka love mule chaba.
Abokwa na mobi.
My sengeme, my sengeme.
Abokwa na mobi.
Where is my sengemenge?
Abokwa na mobi.
Njideka bloshiba.
Abokwa na mobi.
Gigi, Gigi.
Abokwa na mobi.
Gigi, Gigi.
Abokwa na mobi.
Njideka love mo.
Abokwa na mobi.
Lechaba, lechaba, sengeme.
Abokwa na mobi.
Lechaba, lechaba, sengemenge.
Abokwa na mobi.
Sengemenge, sengemenge.
Abokwa na mobi.
Hey, is your master around?
Do you want to buy clothes? We have beautiful clothes around.
No.
Well, my master is not around. Any problem?
Maduka, when will your master be back?
He should be back any moment from now.
And who says I'm not around?
Ah.
I'm very much around.
Hey, one name. Hey, Otikwa.
Master, you're welcome.
How are you?
No, nah. No, it's button nah.
You're welcome, Master.
How are you?
This is my friend. Her name is Njideka. She wants to tell you something.
Really? Wait. I know you. I met you earlier today. You want to tell me something? Go ahead. What is going on?
I don't know what to say again.
What is going on?
This is your chance.
Let me make it easier for you. I also want to tell you something.
Okay.
I like you.
Huh?
Yes. Ebere, I like your friend so much. Yes, and she is the kind of woman I want to make my wife.
If they give you sugar to lick, you go vomit them. Abi, if they give you honey to lick, you go say no. Papa no be my fault, way. Mama no be my fault.
I promise to love you forever.
Me too. I want to ask you something.
Please, anything at all, ask.
I hope you're not going to go out with any other maiden in this village.
Me? Hey, my name is Me, I'm a very shy person. I'm telling you, when it comes to women, hey, I can't talk to them. Believe me, it was even so difficult for me to tell you how I feel.
Yeah.
You see all these maidens in this village, I'm telling you, I do not see them. Then now that you and I have agreed to come together as one, I will not even see any of them at all. It's only you I will love forever.
You are so sweet. I never knew you were this sweet.
There are many things you are yet to find out about me.
Okay. But there is one problem.
Problem?
Yes.
Okay.
I have not done it before.
Same with me. I've not done it before.
Is you?
Yeah. You see?
We're meant for each other.
Exactly what I've been trying to tell you.
Oh, thank the
Very,
gods.
very good news.
I'm very happy. Now I'm happy. See, my love, I promise that I will not allow anything and anybody come between us. Ever.
Okay, because you see all these young men in this village, I don't trust any of them.
Even till I get married, till we get married.
Oh, better. You keep it for me.
It's your padlock.
Watch it. Okay, now that you've asked your questions, can I ask mine?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I say Akunansi? As I say Fenaju. Let me show you something inside.
Oburoba my fault. Woke up na maluma jidego no masaga dilili loyal. If they want my cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
They say they want my cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
No be my fault,
oh my sweet cassava.
Would they don't cry,
oh my sweet cassava.
Say they give you sugar to lick you go say no. Oh my sweet cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
I be they give you honey to lick you go say no. Oh my sweet cassava,
oh my sweet cassava.
My name is Ekezie,
oh my sweet cassava.
I didn't handsome ejikwamu kochi kochi.
Oh my sweet cassava.
I heard she took herself to him. Really? Ekeze will only use her and dump her. I doubt it. Ekeze is not that kind of man. Ekeze is one of the very few young men in this Umuede that I can vouch for. There is no man that is an exception. All men are the same. Philandering runs in their bloodstream like the flow of our Eke stream. Uzoma, Ekeze is different. Say what you know. As for that Njideka, she's too proud for my liking. She thinks she can bully everyone.
I'm here to see who she cannot bully with. The best is to avoid her entirely.
I'm happy that I'm not like that. That goes after a man. It's not in my culture. What's that look for?
Nothing. Stop stretching my neck.
Stretching your neck.
Amalu mama umasa na fumo nanya.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Ude umasa na fumo nanya.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Onye di handsome ujidego umasa na di loyal.
Cassava.
Papa no be my fault.
Oh my sweet cassava.
My sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Kill me. Hey, I enjoyed it. Otale. Otale. Tomorrow I'll not decide. Don't give this thing for another person. Oh, Otale. Otale.
Oburoba my fault. They give them back to back, back to back.
I said it. This is Uzoma. This is Uzoma. Oh, Iverike. Iverike. Oh, did you see anybody going out?
No.
You didn't notice anything.
Oburoba my fault.
Oh my sweet cassava.
They give them back to back, back to back.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava. Oh my sweet cassava.
Onye di handsome ujidego umasa na di loyal.
Cassava.
Papa no be my fault.
Oh my sweet cassava.
My sweet cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava.
Mama no be my fault.
Oh my sweet cassava.
You want my cassava.
Oh my sweet cassava.
I dey give them. I dey give them.
Oh,
I dey give them.
Greetings, Master.
How are you?
I'm fine. Master, you woke up late today.
Yes, I did not sleep early.
Okay, Master. Oga had one yesterday. He had one last night.
How did you know?
You left before me yesterday, remember? One came.
Eh? Come. Which one?
Uzoma. I didn't say it to you.
Uzoma. I don't even know what Oga saw in that one.
I don't know.
How ugly Uzoma?
I don't know. Me self, I don't know.
Maruka?
Master!
Ana macho my love, njide ka love mo, abawakwa na mobi. Ana macho love me, njide.
He's gone.
As he always do. Nine, you better stop him.
And what would you have me do?
Stop that madness of him. Insisting on marrying Jideka. Get him a good wife.
Nine, he doesn't mingle with his age mates. You better do something.
How are you now?
Fine.
I went to your house and your mother told me you are not around.
I hope there's no problem.
Won't I be seeing my friend again?
Yeah. Evie!
Uzoma,
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the farm.
I'll come and help you.
You come and help me? That will be wonderful. I'm going to come join you. That will be beautiful.
Uzo, are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
What then is the meaning of that drama I saw?
I'm trying to be nice to my future in-law. She's a cousin to my man, AKZ. And soon we'll be seeing ourselves regularly. So I need to start now to be nice to her.
Uzo, you are not feeling well. The fact that you sleep with him every now and then does not mean he will marry you. Being nice to my dad. Look at you.
I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me.
Abokwa na mobi.
I am looking for my love. Gigi, Njide ka love mo.
Abokwa na mobi.
I am looking for my sengemenge. Gigi, Njide ka love mo.
Abokwa na mobi.
Njide ka blush ba.
Abokwa na mobi.
My sengemenge blush ba.
Abokwa na mobi.
Njide ka love me.
Abokwa na mobi.
Gigi, Gigi. Gigi na ngude na chogi Abokwa na mobi Njide ka love mo lechaba Abokwa na mobi My sengeme Abokwa na mobi Where is my sengemenge Abokwa na mobi Njide ka bloshiba Abokwa na mobi Gigi Abokwa na mobi Gigi Abokwa na mobi Njide ka love mo Abokwa na mobi Lechaba sengeme Abokwa na mobi Lechaba sengemenge Abokwa na mobi Sengemenge Abokwa na mobi Njide ka love me Abokwa na mobi
Mude! I've been calling you since another back on your rigi ha. Mude. Go rigi ha. Onye rigi ha. Mba o. Ngeso gi onya hiri go mandichi ya. Nga anata nke fo no mandichi ya.
I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me.
Mudas. Ola mandichi ju mude.
I am looking for my love.
That was what she said. And you believed her. Njide, how can't you be sure if you won't make a confirmation? What stupid confirmation, I beg? You talk as if you don't know your cousin, Ekeze. At least you should ask him first. Yeah. If you know not my friend, niggas walk out. Your testicles will fall out. What is your problem? How can I go and ask my good man what he's doing with that stupid dirty Uzoma of all the maidens in this village? Uzoma about it. That idiot is just looking for cheap fame. And he thinks he can attain it by lying on my good man. Eh? Do you know that Ekeze is so shy that he can't even talk to a woman? And he has not even seen any woman's laughs. In Agwam. Because if one in force, don't even say it again, please. Eh? You know that Ekeze is my brother. You know, he's my cousin. Eh? And you know that all the maidens are after him. The man is handsome. Eh? Exactly. He's handsome, he's rich, with good height and everything. So everybody wants him. So that's why that idiot lied against him. But nobody will take Ekeze from me. You know what I can do? Not to talk of that stupid Akona. I know of you. Nobody. Your cousin on
umasa na fumo nanya. Oh my sweet cassava. Mude umasa na fumo nanya. Oh my sweet cassava.
Why are you looking at me? You sent for me and here I am. Or did you come out here to look at me?
You must be very stupid to must have said that.
You slapped me.
And I'll disfigure your face in such a way that all those your useless man friends will not look at you 2 times. I'm not fear.
Gigi, I am looking for my love. Njide ka love mu agbawakwana m obi. I am looking for my love. Gigi, njide ka blush ba agbawakwana m obi. Gigi, hey, let me tell you what happened. I went to the river to catch some fishes for you. When I got there, all the fishes, they have traveled. They have traveled to our neighboring village. Only these fishes were the one remaining in our river. Anybody that goes to catch fish now, they'll come back empty-handed. I caught all of them for you. I love you. This, I don't know how your love is doing me. Can't you see? Gigi? 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 Hey! Hi.
Mude. So Njideka is now in market, Mude. So Njideka is now in market. Azumuna nwoke ibe mburu. Mude. I followed you right from that place to know who is doing this thing to you. So Njideka neregi here. Njideka eri Mude. Njideka eri Azumude. Njideka must pay us back. Njideka man go to ahụ. In fact, she will pay us double. Man call cat the so eri. She will pay us today.
As you're busy loving somebody with all your heart, little will you know that the same person you are loving is busy loving another person. Ije love. If they give you sugar to lick, you go vomit them. Abi if they give you honey to lick, you go say no. Papa no be my fault way. Mama no be my fault way. Papa no be my fault way. Fine ladies they like me. Mama no be my fault way. Some men they jealous me. Oburoko my fault. Oburoko my fault.
My love, thank the gods you're here.
My love.
I dealt with Uzoma. It's telling me, now.
Who is Uzoma?
Oh, I said it. One stupid idiot maiden went around the village telling people that you're going to marry her. In Anokwa, that she even claimed that that you have tasted the woman in her.
Me?
And I dealt with her. I taught her a lesson not to lie against innocent man like you. My good man, that is shy. That have not even seen the last of any woman.
I'm wine. Can they be saying such things about
know she wants to be close to you, but not to tarnish your image. No, my love, you don't need to bother yourself. Trust me. Ititoli. Don't worry. I hope you are good.
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too.
It's just that I'm missing you.
I'm missing you too. Can let me go take care.
Wait now.
Okay. Let me go.
Why will you go to that extent?
Baby, that useless Akuna, she needed to be taught a bitter lesson. So the next time, she will know that crossing my path means death. Is it born?
You went too far. You went too far this time around. You went too far.
At least that will be an example to other people. Anything that belongs to me, everybody will stay clear. Makana.
This is too much now. This is too much.
Hey, don't worry.
Where is she? Where is that useless daughter of yours?
Luzon, What is the matter?
You're asking me? What is that useless daughter of yours that beat on my daughter?
No, Zoma. Just tell me what brought you to my house. Because I will not allow you to call my daughter names.
You must be very foolish to support that your evil daughter.
No, Zoma. It's enough.
Enough of what?
I will not allow you to come to my house and pour insult on me. Carry that your insult to another place, or
what? Chagodi can check your mama on the money back.
Honorable. Who? Zoma and her mother came here and beat me up. I will not allow it. I will not endure it. I must retaliate. Zoma and her mother. Zoma, if I don't do something this time, they must repeat it. I will not allow that.
Mama, what happened? Why are you talking to yourself? Why are you like this?
Is it not that useless Usama and her mother? They came here and beat me up.
Usama and Kone? Which Usama?
That Usama you know.
Second, Usama came here with her mother to beat you up?
Yes.
Hey!
Njida, come back! Njideka, come back! Oh, Njida, please don't do anything crazy. Njida, mom.
Next time, you don't come close to my mother.
I bought this material yesterday.
It's fine. Like we don't know who bought it for you. It's Obina.
Who bought it? Which Obina? I bought this material with my money.
Which money? Like I didn't see you and Obina walking towards the stream yesterday.
Nay, follow me to the stream tomorrow.
We'll still go to the stream with you.
She will kill everybody.
Don't run, come back. Una Abbasina, I'm not here to beat you, come out. I said you should come out.
I'm coming out too.
Hurry up, don't make me angry.
I intentionally tore your clothes to disgrace you for laying your dead hands on my mother. Here's the new clothes I bought for you. See? I'm a good person. Shout it, let me hear it. I'm a good person. Now hold your ears. The next time you and your stupid, fat, ugly looking daughter lay your dead hands on my mother, you did not greet her. Hey, I will kill you. Single-handedly dig your graves and bury you inside. Stupid old things. Ndala.
Hey. Oh, can't see Jay. Now the go. Mama no bugonum.
Love one thing. Love is a sweet thing. Love is adorable. Love na so. Love one thing. Love is a sweet thing. Love is adorable.
Nai, where are you going to?
To the palace. We have an urgent meeting. The troublesome Jideka has been brought to the palace for beating a mother and a daughter.
What? Who did she beat?
I don't know yet. When I get there, I'll find out. This is the maiden your son is dying for. A maiden that may wake up today and strangle you and I.
May the God forbid.
I am looking for my love.
Your Highness, yes, I did it. I dealt with them. They deserve all the beating I give to them. In fact, Your Highness, if I'm given another chance,
Quiet! Such impunity? Before me, you are proud to admit you committed the atrocity?
Yes, Your Highness. Or do you want me to lie? What I'm trying to say is that I did not beat them up for no reason. Every naughty behavior deserves naughty ntitoli. Yes. Or would you prefer I spare the rod to spoil the child?
Will you shut up your mouth? Why are you calling a child? Someone of your mother's age.
Ichie, they merited all the beating I gave to them. Oh, ha!
Your Highness, she does not deserve any mercy.
I am supporting Ichie.
Yes,
Your Highness, she should face the consequences of what she did.
Yes,
Your Highness, please, tamper justice with mercy. At least, have mercy on me for the fact that I replaced her turned rapper. Yes, I tore her rapper to disgrace her for beating my mother. But I bought a new one for her. I even added extra for her daughter. No one is asking me or care to know how my mother is faring, or how I'm able to get herbs that I'm using to heal her.
Why will your mother be taking her? Is she sick?
Oh, Akoroli. Yeah. Asakwam. That's why all of you now are Achumkebu. These people came to my house to beat up my mother.
You mean they came to fight your mother?
No, Your Highness. They did not come to fight my mother. My mother is old and her bones are weak. Both of them came and gave her the beating of her life. Yes. You see, when she was coming, she's not working well again. They came and beat her the beating of her life. But nobody is talking about it though. Nobody is saying anything about it. No problem.
Your Highness, I seen I have unkakwa gafero. I am carrying isi. And nobody has communicated this information to us.
This is totally a new information, Your Highness.
Woman, is her claims the truth? Answer me, woman! Did you fight with her mother?
Yes, Your Highness.
See?
Ndiche. Boropoto. Abala no new way. Ezoku dia.
Did you hear what the king said? The king said that they deserve everything I did to them.
That was not what he said. He only dismissed them because they did not come to the palace to report, but rather they took the laws into their hands.
Are we not saying the same thing? They were there waiting for the king to crucify me, to deal with me, to punish me. But here I am, as free as a bird. As a bear.
That's your own business. Njideka, did you see the prince? I like that prince. He's handsome.
Ebere. Okay. Hey! So I was there facing judgment, and you were by the side, eyeing the prince. Okay? Nenagi. If not for me, would you have gotten the chance to see the prince?
Njideka, he's handsome. And he will make a good husband.
So it has gotten to this extent. My friend is in love. My friend is in love.
See, enough of your jokes. Yeah, but Njideka, you are too troublesome.
Shut up. I'm too troublesome. You should be grateful for my troubles. Yes. If not for my trouble, why would you go to the palace and see the prince? You should be encouraging me to be causing more trouble.
I've never felt what I felt for her.
You amaze me, brother. What is it you saw in her that would attract you?
That I cannot say. But what I know is that I adore everything about her.
I do not see what you saw in her that would attract you. But I'm happy that for the first time you dedicated interest in a medium. And that's very good.
Nsobudio, I'm handicapped. I don't even know anything about her. I don't even know if she's betrothed to anyone. I don't know much about her.
What would you like to know about her?
Everything. I would like to know everything about her.
I'll help you.
You will do that for me?
Yes. You're my only brother, and your happiness is my happiness.
That's why you are my good sister. I cherish you a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
What are you doing here?
Gigi. Hi, Gigi. Hi. I am so happy nothing happened to you. And I'm also happy that the judgment did not go against you. Hi, Gigi.
You have not answered my question, Mude. What are you doing here?
Gigi, can't I come and commemorate with you? Huh? Hi, look at your smile, beautiful smile. Hi, Gigi.
Thank you very much for coming, Mude. Emeka, oh, Dalo.
This is your smile. It's doing me so.
Ngakunize, get up and stand outside.
You want me to come outside?
Come go outside.
I should come outside. Hi, Gigi.
Now, turn around.
I should turn around.
Umba, Dinani. Turn around. I said you should turn around. Don't name you.
I should turn around.
Ngwa, go. Start going.
I should go.
You talk on when you have to go out this kid. I should go. Leave my house, what's up? Get out. Let me see you here again.
I am looking for my love. Njide kawanyoma abokwana mobi.
Ka nwote gị ya ka mmeji tiri ego obi gị akịta.
Njide kawanyoma abokwana mobi.
Alili egbe nwude. Akwa nwude nakwa. I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi.
I know it. I knew that Njideka was innocent. I knew Njideka couldn't have done what she did without a cause.
That is why I want to take that maiden for my wife.
That will not happen.
You will not marry her. Father, why would you say that?
Son, you are my only son, my only child for that matter. Remember, the gods did not bless your mother and I with children. I don't want you to marry a maiden that will kill you and terminate my generation. Listen, there are many maidens outside there. Get one.
Father, Njideka is the woman I want to marry. She is the woman that makes my heart beat. Njideka is a woman of virtue. I wonder why you're not saying it. Huh?
Listen, son. You are the only son I have. I can never deceive you. Remember, I am your father. You will not marry her.
Father, you're deceiving me on this one. You're deceiving me on this one. If only Njideka will love me back. If only she will love me back. Let me prove my parents wrong. Huh?
Love one thing, love is a sweet thing, love is adorable, love na so. Love one thing, love is a sweet thing, love is adorable, love is a misery. As you're busy loving somebody with all your heart, little will you know that the same person you are loving is busy loving another person. Ije love. Alili egbe nwude. Akwa nwude nakwa. I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi.
My prince. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Excuse me, my beautiful maiden.
My prince.
I thank the gods for bringing you my way. I saw you at the palace some days ago. Since then, I've been waiting for an opportunity to meet you.
Oh, really? My prince, same here. I've been waiting for an opportunity to meet you and tell you that my friend...
It's good. I've been seeking for a chance to meet you and tell you that I like you.
Huh?
I want us to become friends. I know you're surprised. It's okay. It's not always that one gets a proposal from a prince. I know you wanted to tell me that you admire me, right?
No. Wrong, my prince.
What do you want to tell me
I don't admire you. As a matter of fact, I have a man that I love so much. Yes.
I'm a prince, the heir to the throne of the kingdom. Who I get to marry will become the queen, ruling with me after the demise of my father. So, I am better than any man you may have.
I see. Okay. I see you are an egoistic prince. May the gods forbid that I will end up with a man like you. An egoistic prince like you. Like I said before, I have a man that I love so much and I'm ready to share the rest of my life with. Go ahead and look for other maidens to marry.
Mujidego masana dilo yara. Papa no be my fault.
My prince, to what do I owe this visit?
Greetings. Is your daughter at home? She's the reason I've come.
Njideka! Mama, come on! See who we have here. The prince of the kingdom.
What are you doing here?
I've come to see you. Why, Marama?
See me for what?
I don't mean any harm.
Please leave my house.
Hey! Njide!
Mba, Mama Biko, please. I said you should leave my father's compound or call name.
It's okay, Mama. I will leave.
Start going, or say I will leave. I'll push you. Leave my. I'll disfigure you and your useless guy. You and your useless guy. Just leave.
I will see you soon.
What? Leave my house. Leave my house.
Jide, what is wrong with you? The prince of the kingdom. Don't you know him again?
The prince, and so what? I'm feminine because he's a prince.
Mama, please, I was doing something.
She humiliated me.
You're taking this too personal. What she did was a show of importance. That's what makes us women. Sometimes we need to show with more value.
What are you saying, Essence?
Give her time. She did not say she doesn't want to. No woman will say no to you.
She even said that she has a man in her life.
Do you believe that?
Why wouldn't I? She said it with her own mouth. The truth is that I don't know much about her.
Don't worry. I know what to do. I will help you to find it.
Thank you so much.
I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my senge. Gigi. Njide.
Gigi! Gigi. Hi, how are you? Put a smile on your face. It's love. The love I have for you. The love is too much. Eh? Gigi. Eh?
I'm begging you. Stop disturbing yourself. It's not going to be possible. Chat, it's not going to be possible. Especially now that I'm loving someone else.
What? Loving someone else? That's not possible.
Really?
Yes.
Is that what you think? Hey, hey, you talk as if you're not in this village. I am the prettiest maiden in this kingdom. Everybody wants me. All the men wants me. Even the almighty prince of this kingdom, Prince Ifadigo. He wants me for a wife, but I don't want him. I choose to belong to only one man.
I know that one man is me.
Onye? Mama, you.
Okay, who are you talking about? Who is the one man? Huh? Who are you talking about?
Anyway, if you want me to give you a chance, I'll give you a try.
Please try. Yeah? That would be nice. Okay, what will you have me?
Come to my place later today.
Today? I am looking for a love. Njide kawanyoma abawakwana mobi. Sengemenge. Gigi. Hey, what are you going to in the evening? So I see you.
You're here.
Sorry to have kept you waiting, my princess.
Don't worry. I haven't really waited for long.
Thank you. All the same, I'm sorry.
I would want you to help me with something.
My princess, what is it you would want me to do for you?
My brother is in love with a maiden of this land. And I would want you to help me with that.
I don't understand. How do I help you out with this?
Beautiful. The maiden in question I've learnt is your friend Njideka. And I would want you to help me by helping my brother. So we clear the coast.
Alili egbe nwude akwa nwude na kwa I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi njide ka love mo abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my sengemenge. Gigi Njide ka love mo abokwa na mobi. Njide ka blush ba abokwa na mobi. I sengemenge blush ba abokwa na mobi.
Gigi.
Who there?
Gigi.
You are here already?
Yes, I'm here.
I thought I asked you to come later.
The later is now. It is better now than come and not meet you at home. Yes.
Okay. Who there?
Gigi.
You said you love me, right?
Hi. Beyond the imagination. Love. That one is understatement. I love you more than my life.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Your smile.
Take this. You love me, right?
Yes.
Time to show the love.
By breaking firewood.
Oh, pieces it very well.
You mean by breaking firewood, I'll prove my love?
Okay, you don't want to love
me. No. not what I'm saying. This wood, it's a small one. It's too small. If you want, I will even bring this one down.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. Hey, Mama, welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, you're welcome.
Nah.
Shift aside. So this thing will not. I don't want anything to enjoy you.
Eh? Woody. Show your love.
Gigi. If it means to bring down all these trees, as long as I get my love.
Alilie gbenwude, alilie gbenwude, akwa nwude na kwa. I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi egbenwude, alilie egbenwude, akwa nwude na kwa. I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi, njide ka love mo. Abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my sengemenge. Gigi, njide ka love mo. Abokwa na mobi. Njide ka blush ba. Abokwa na mobi. My sengemenge blush ba. Abokwa na mobi.
Gigi. Gigi.
You are here already?
Yes, I'm here.
I thought I asked you to come later.
The later is now. It is better now than come and not meet you at home. Yes.
Okay. Woody.
Gigi.
You said you love me, right?
Hi. Beyond the imagination. Love. That one is understatement. I love you more than my life.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Your smile.
Take this. You love me, right?
Yes.
Time to show the love.
By breaking firewood.
Oh, we supposed to pieces it very well.
You mean by breaking firewood, I'll prove my love?
Okay, you don't want to love
me?
me.
No. That's not what I'm saying. This wood, it's a small one. It's too small. If you want, I will even bring this one down.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. Hey, Mama, welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, you're welcome.
Nah.
Shift aside. So this thing will not. I don't want anything to enjoy you.
Woody. Show your love.
Gigi. If it means to bring down all these trees, as long as I get my love.
Alilie gbenwude, akwa nwude na kwa. I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love mo letara. Abokwa na mobi. My sengeme. Abokwa na mobi. Where is my sengemenge? Abokwa na mobi. Njide ka blush ba. Abokwa na mobi. Gigi. Abokwa na mobi.
Is this sweet? Is it, eh?
Do you want to? I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love me. Abokwa na mobi. I am looking for my sengemenge.
Me, I saw her.
Will I finish all the firewood? Will I break all of them?
Are you tired?
No. I was even thinking maybe you bring more.
Yeah. I finished that one.
Gigi.
Continue showing your love, eh? I'm seeing it. There are more love behind the house. Yeah, sorry.
You're licking your hand as if the food is too sweet.
Obasani, how is it your business?
I'm just saying.
Continue showing your love.
Yeah, I am on it.
Plenty love not behind. Then you finish this one. You put other ones, eh?
Gigi.
Have the both of you heard the latest news?
I wonder. I mean, you're the one that always has the latest news. So, what is the latest news this time?
See, I heard that Njideka has turned Ode to a slave. Yes! Yes! See, he now does domestic works for her. Works like breaking firewood, washing plates. See, he even goes as far as cooking food for her to eat.
That's not true. We're him.
The news is that Ode was in breaking firewood for Njideka. I know.
And so, is that not the one we see with our eyes? How about the so many ones that this guy has been doing that we don't even see?
Anyway,
you people are...
You are right. No, he is right.
Whether it is firewood he is breaking or he's washing plates, the truth is that Ode is not good for her. People are here talking about Ode. When Ekeze is there, or have you forgotten that Ekeze is the richest man in this kingdom? And we cannot challenge him. You never know Ode do this.
Forget that one. Huh? Forget him.
Just look at this now.
Moi. I will win Njideka.
I will win her.
I thought you are good with news. Are you telling me that you don't know the reason why Njideka is fooling Ode is because of Ekeze?
Really?
Have you heard?
You don't know. Yeah?
Njideka, Mama, what have you been doing since today? There's no drinking water in the house. Because Buri had just cut me on.
Don't worry, Mama, I'll go and fetch water. Anna, please, hey, you heard my mother. We don't have drinking water. Even this pot is empty. So help me and go to the stream to fetch water. Oh, don't come.
Gigi, water. Men do not fetch water.
Says who?
Yes.
I've seen countless men fetching water. They say men do not fetch water. It's like you are lazy. This is another way of showing me how much you love me. They say men do not fetch water. Ngwanu. Okodi. Nsobadro. Jide your love. Let me go and fetch my water.
No, Gigi, no. Gigi, wait.
Let me go and fetch my water.
He has not
Today your love. Let me go and fetch my water.
You did not hear what I said well. I said I will fetch. I will fetch. Eh? What you want is for me to fill the pot and I will have my love.
Not back. Just pots, or bro, one pot. Fill our pots. Nenka deba plus the ones inside. Fill it. That's another way to show me that you love me. Now again,
so the water is the problem. If I fetch the water, I will have all the love. Gigi, you know what? Go and bring all the pots, line them up. I will fetch all the water you want.
Go. Before you go, we are packing this firewood before.
This one?
Finish up.
Gigi!
Hurry up, Nika, this axe. Can't keep it well.
Okay. Makia.
Good boy. Carry the pot.
Gigi.
Now what?
If I fetch the water, I'll have all your love.
Oh my, again.
I'll fetch bring all the pots.
You are talking too much.
Bring all the pots and line them.
Gigi. Also.
I am looking for my love. Ndide can love.
I know. I'm
going.
Hey, Ram. So you fill the pot before it gets dark.
Printifa Adigo is in love with you. I want you to give him a chance. I want you to marry him. Do you know what you stand to gain if you agree to his proposal? You will be the next queen of this great kingdom in the nearest future. Are you mad?
Why were you asking that type of question?
Because you are talking like a mad woman. Have you forgotten what I have with your cousin, Ekezi?
My dear, leave Ekezi. Leave him alone. Printifa Adigo is a better suitor. Is a better person.
Now I've confirmed that you have gone crazy.
By the way,
you are the one that is in love with Printifa Adigo. You told me that. Now you are telling me to marry him. You are trying to convince me to marry him. Are you alright?
I know I'm in love with Printifa Adigo, but he did not come for me. He came for you. So grab it.
Is either you are mad, like I said before, or you are foolish. Anyway, I don't have time to stand here and listen to your nonsense. Ebere, when you are done talking, the chair ready chelazo. Excuse me.
She doesn't know what she has.
Oh my sweet cassava, baby tomato. Oh my sweet cassava, take a potato. If they give you sugar to lick, you go for me tam. Abi if they give you honey to lick, you go say no. Papa no be my fault way.
It's your uncle.
My handsome brother, where are you coming from?
I took a walk. You, where are you going to?
See my friend. Good morning, my friends.
Greetings. I hope you won't take all day.
Not at all. Just seeing her off in the back soon. Are you alright? Yes, my friend. Why do you ask?
That is why I say that no maiden in this kingdom is as beautiful as you. That's why all these men, everybody, but I'll give them EP, size 48. Jijim, Sengeme, 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 Sengeme. What is it? Munde, munde.
So, this madness has gotten to this extent. Why would you allow a woman turn you into a slave? Hi!
Bia, Okoli Okpaka, won't you shut your stupid mouth up?
Why will I? Njideka, why will I? What you are doing to my friend is not good. It's not good. Njideka, this thing is not ordinary. It's not ordinary.
Your friend?
Hey, it's not friend. It's not my friend though. Since when do I know you? I don't know him. Oh. Is it your slavery? Whose friend? Don't call my name again. Oh. It's not my friend though. Why you know?
The next time. Next time you see me, run for your life.
Gigi.
I cannot matter your zo.
Gigi, he's dying. He's dying already. Gigi, please. Gigi, please. Gigi, please. Gigi, please. Mude, 1 minute. That sounds right.
I'm still wondering why you should be fighting over a man that does not love you.
Is that the reason why you stopped me here?
Inajimaju, I stopped you to tell you to stay away from Ekezie. Ekezie is my man. I'm the only one he loves. And I'm the only one he will get to marry too.
So why are you telling me all this?
Inajimaju, I'm not supposed to. But I needed to clear my mind of it. So don't go about again telling people what never existed. I believe what happened to you should have taught you a lesson. My advice to you, go round the kingdom. There could be 1 or 2 men who could be interested in what you have to offer.
I know your thing. Really, that does not bother me. You should be bothered about the calm and gentle Masinachi.
Obinna, Madoka, don't you feel bothered that so many maidens are doing virtually everything possible just to have our master? I mean, is it good that our master have his ways with all these maidens that come here every now and then?
It is very good. Huh? Very, very good. Madoka, see, let me tell you. Once you are rich, women must be coming after you. Now look at our master. Our master is very, very rich. That is why all of them are running after him. Now let me ask you one question. Okay. Why do you think that men push to acquire wealth? Is it not to possess women? Yeah?
Obina, this is not what I'm saying at all. That is not what I'm saying at all. I mean, see, yes, I'm very much aware that our master is very wealthy. Not only is he very wealthy, but very good looking as well.
Okay, man.
But for me, no matter the amount of wealth I acquire in future, I will have just one maiden, one beautiful maiden to myself alone.
As you're looking at me now, I am our master's photocopy.
Yeah.
I must get my own share of the maidens. I must acquire them plenty. Bam.
Just the way you Benanka, Bekunka, that is where all the maidens will land on you as well. Very soon.
A lot has been happening in this kingdom, and I want to be among those people in the center of it all.
Stop boasting, Ikena. Stop boasting. We all know your family in this village and your lineage. There is no form of greatness there. Let me tell you, if there should be any man great amongst the men of this land, that should be me. A lion begats a lion.
Look who's talking. Should I remind you that your father died a drunkard?
Look, Ikena, I'm warning you. Do not say any word about my father right now again. If I will kill you.
You must be very stupid.
You must be very stupid to think you can kill me. I'm warning you, Ikena. Don't dare me, Ikena. I'm warning you, don't dare me.
Asama, please wait. Asama, please stop. Stop. Asama, see, you are very beautiful. Asama, you are very beautiful. Asama, let me just test you. Just small. Hey, Asama, please. I just want to have a taste of you. Asama, please. Asama, are you leaving? Are you going? Asama, wait now, wait. Yeah? Asama, obere ndiko. Small, biko. Asama, small now, obere, just small, biko. Small, please.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. What do you want to buy? We have new materials. We bought this one's new.
I'm here to see your master, AKC. Is he in?
He's not around though. Okay, do you want to drop a message?
No. I want to wait for him.
Okay, you can sit down. We have seats.
You have not answered my question.
Well, I think I have the right to answer that question and the right not to answer that stupid question.
Maybe I should ask that question again. Masnachi, is it true you are saying Ekeze in secret?
Well, I'm not giving you an answer to that stupid question of yours. And if you don't mind, I was going somewhere, so please excuse me.
Ekezi, I'm here in respect of Njideka. I heard she's been seen with you number of times.
I don't want to assume anything. I'm just here to tell you that she is my woman. She is my all and all. She is the woman I want to marry. And nothing and nobody will make me not to marry her. So whatever you have with her should end. Just leave her alone for me. That's all I'm here to tell you.
Huh? Easy. Why? The maiden in question, she is the one at the center of this issue. Huh? If you love her so much, go to her. Make her to love you. It's very simple. If you are not able to do that, it's not my fault. I mean, if she comes to me and she starts loving me,
she is not your type. I'm aware how you're using and dumping all the maidens in our kingdom. I will not allow you to do something to her. She's my woman. I will not allow that.
Like I said before, it is not my fault. Huh? Go around the village, Joese. I like one way. Yeah, but that's not my fault. The gods created me well. It's not my fault. Are you done?
Ekesi, I'm not done. I'm not done. Just leave my woman alone. Must you avoid the maidens in this community?
Anyway, you don't have to scream and shout. If you want a maiden, you come to me. Speak to me calmly. I will help you. And when God sending teachers to go from Boyege, you don't have to shout.
Ekesi, you're disgusting. Ekesi, come back here. Ekesi.
Welcome, Master.
I do not want to see that madman in my compound again. Throw him out now.
Yes, sir.
Ekesi.
Leave this place now. Leave.
Ekesi, I'm not done. I'm coming back for you.
Oh yeah, now they go.
That's our courtroom.
It's not our fault now.
Why do you love Njideka?
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. See, let me tell you, if you think you can be fooling yourself or enslaving yourself just to get the attention, you are wasting your time.
Where do you think you're going to? Eh? We are not done with you yet. I have personally warned you to stay away from Njideka. Have I not warned you? Eh? Hey. No, let me finish it.
It's not today. Don't worry.
You cannot do anything. Stay away from Njideka. Stay away from her.
Why did you have to say that? You're just talking and talking. Will you plan letting him see you? Like her. You know I like her and you know I want to marry her. Hey! Oh yeah, Aquasoka wam. Oh, give my. Oh, Naga na jigo go fuma. Imakazi. What's happened?
Papa, nothing.
Yes. Is it Kilu too? No. You are back.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, I'm happy to welcome you. No,
Okay. I remember her now. You know she left us when she was very little, when her mother died. Yes. But have you seen how beautiful she's looking now? She's looking so beautiful now. And I think this makes mine. Yes, I think I found myself a wife. Yes, I will take advantage of this to woo her and marry her. No, I'll go and see her father. What do you have to say?
You must be very mad to ask me that question, Kenna. You must be very mad. What is it? Not too long ago, you were asking me to stay clear of Njideka, and then now you are here talking. Just
don't be angry. Don't be angry. See, then I hadn't found my, but now I have found my wife. You see, you and Njideka, I dash you. I dash you for free. Come back and thank me later. I'm your friend.
Oh, don't let us fight over this. See, Mazi Moses' daughter is my own. And Njideka is yours. And anybody that stands in my way will receive war from me. Period.
Okay. So me and you are dragging one woman now, Nduka, you must be joking. Oh, so you want to fight me? Okay, now we will see who will have her. We will see who will have her first. Idiot.
Why did you stop me like that? Why did you stop me like that?
Question. Ajuju. Why did I stop you like that? I was asking you a question before. You walked out on me.
Asama, what is your problem? What is your problem this time around?
I don't want you anywhere near my man again. I chose me. Cha.
Did I hear you say your man? What business do you have with your man? And who is this your man you're talking about?
It is not in news that Ekeze is my man. Okay, Maramba. Okay, Chukwanyako. I'm covering my boundaries. So, stay clear. Stay clear.
Asama, you must be stupid to be claiming a man who doesn't care about you. I think you are stupid to be laying a claims on a man who doesn't give a damn about you. Asama, you should be ashamed of yourself.
I heard you steal your way to impose yourself on me. To be frank, you too. If I see you anywhere close to him, if I see you anywhere close to him, you will break your legs.
Asama, you must be mad to have said that. I think you need
You called me mad. Keep on mad. Yes, I will show you madness. I will show you madness. I'll beat this girl. You cannot do anything. I'll beat you. I'll see you.
Yeah, Kedifeme, what really happened?
Papa, nothing. Grandma asked me to come back.
So bad, be seen and so bad, can't go but since your mother died, you've been staying with this your maternal grandmother. And all of a sudden, she asked you to come back to me. When I said, did you do anything wrong? And we feel made injured?
No, Papa. Grandma has made me a woman, and she said I should come back and stay with you. But that doesn't mean I wouldn't be going to visit her every now and then. No.
Okay. But this decision, are you okay with it? If not, when they come, you go back to her. I'll send you back to her.
I'm okay. I have missed you.
Uh-huh.
I have missed the love of my father. I'm here to stay with you now.
And you're cooking it. I'm going again now. I'm going to no.
Who is she?
I don't know.
This girl is beautiful, though.
She...
Please wait. Hold on. Please wait. Please wait.
Mama. Hi! Please, I have not seen you in this village before. Please, who are you? Where are you from? I mean, what is your name?
Which do you want me to answer first?
Please forgive me. I just saw you walk past and I said to myself, I must talk with you or else I won't forgive myself. Anyway, my name is Ubukalo, the son of Agu. I am very popular. You must have heard my name. Some people call me Ubunwa or Ubunwa Mama. Anyone you want. We are very popular in this village. Anyway, me looking at you, I said to myself, this is to get. Ah!
What do you think you're doing? Do you know her? Most of you in this kingdom think you can go any maiden you see. Or do you think this maiden is free for you?
But both...
No. Let me talk some sense into him. Come on, Mission also. Don't go about admiring another man's woman. Don't mind him, my dear. Let's go.
And if I see you one step close to her, if you come close to her, don't do this thing. And where go to us and maybe you have a typical example of Mwajaka. You can see. You can see. Hi.
So what do you have to say?
Thank you. But you have still not told me your name.
Oh, sorry, name. It's just that your beauty captivated my heart. My name is Ikenna.
Okay. Ikenna, I have heard all you said. Thank you again. But the problem is what you're asking for is not possible.
Why? I am a hard-working man. With me, you will lack nothing.
Ikenna, there is more to it than that.
How are you?
Ipatago.
Yeah, how are you?
No.
Well done.
Yes, Papa.
My daughter, since you came, I noticed that you have been wearing this particular clothes. What's the problem?
Papa, I came with just few clothes.
Don't worry. You'll get you more clothes, eh?
You
are my only daughter.
Papa, thank you.
You don't have problem.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
My name is Ibiri. Let me look on.
Do you want to buy clothes?
Yes. Do you sell beautiful clothes?
Beautiful clothes that befit your beauty, right? Of course we do. Come inside.
She's very, very beautiful.
Of course. I haven't seen this kind of girl before. Have you seen it?
I've not seen this.
Don't you like that one? It really looks good on you.
Really?
The truth is that all the clothes here will fit you.
Of course.
Let me tell you, we sell beautiful clothes that fit beautiful maidens like you. They are really beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Master.
Welcome, Master.
Greetings.
Greetings to you too, beautiful maiden. My name is Ekezi. I own this place.
Really?
Yes.
You have a nice place.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Aku.
That should be Aquasoka. Aquasoka. Isoka who? What a beautiful name for a beautiful maiden.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Boys.
Yes, Master.
Whatever she wants to buy, do not take money from her. Huh?
Yes, Master.
Aquasoka, anything you want to buy, free. Huh? Yes, do not pay.
Thank you very much,
It's
sir.
okay. Just make your selection. It's all for free. Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay. Take your time. I have beautiful clothes here. And then inside, I even have finer ones. So when you're done, please, come check inside.
Thank you.
Yes, master. Yes, master.
My sweet cassava. Oh, my sweet cassava.
Check that one. Check that one. You like it?
Oh, my sweet cassava. You want my cassava. Oh, my sweet cassava.
Even that one there.
Give them.
Yeah, all good. See that animal skin. If you don't like these ones, there are finer ones inside. You can go inside and check.
My brother's happiness is my happiness. He wants to do this for me. I'll be the happiest person. Like I said, I will do my best. We are not friends, and I can do anything for my friends. My princess, there is something I would like to ask you. If I do your wish, what will be my reward? Ebere, what have we been saying since? Once you do this for me, I will do anything you ask of me. Really? Yes. I do not forgive favors. Okay then, I'll be on my way. Bye.
Aquasoka. Hey, no. Aquasoka.
What happened? I hope there is no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. No problem. Just that I want us to talk. Eh? See, the moment I saw you in there, hey, I fell in love with you immediately. I don't even know what happened to me. My body just started shaking. I was confused. I didn't know what I was doing. You know, I'm usually not used to this. You know, I just saw you. I don't know what happened to me. I fell in love with you immediately. Please, something in me told me immediately I saw you that I've seen my woman. So I decided to talk to you. Please. Just be my woman, I promise you. You see, sadness, you will never experience it in this life ever again. Oh?
I'm sorry. I cannot be your woman. I'm not into what you're interested in. I can only become a wife when the time is right.
Why you know? What do you think I'm trying to say? You see, I'm not very good with words. I'm a very shy person. Honestly, this is the first time I'm approaching a woman like this. For one, you two, just pardon me. Oh, be my wife, marry me.
I cannot marry you.
Don't say this. Do not see what I'm saying. I understand where you're coming from. But
I'm not happy with you. You have abandoned me. Have to go.
How did I abandon you? Huh? How did I abandon you?
You don't come around to check on me again. At least, you met Maka. I love you. Is it fair?
If I make it out the more. This is a customer that just bought clothes for me. I was trying to see if she can buy more. Ichunai or the ma.
Ekezie, where are you going to? Ekezie, my love! Ekezie, come back! Ekezie!
How did your visit to the palace go? Did you get the chance to see the prince?
Yes, I saw him.
You did?
Yes.
So what did he say?
He said he's interested in you, Njideka.
Mwakwa. Is he mad? Onapuala. I don't even know that he exists.
Even his sister wants me to talk to you about him.
Forget those fools. You have access to them, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. This is your opportunity. Use it wisely. Make the prince love you, possibly marry you. I'm not interested in him. I don't even remember him. I have my man, my good man, Ekezi, your cousin.
Are you sure? He's the prince of this kingdom, the heir apparent to the throne of Umuede kingdom, and he's handsome.
Even if he's the king, I don't care. Handsome, Nebe. Is he more handsome than my Ekezi? Please, enjoy yourself. He's all yours. Yes, he's all yours. It's not left for you to use the woman in you and make him love you.
Thank you. Trust me now. Imani Jimmy. Hey,
Asama!
What are you doing here?
Mama, I have not come for trouble. There is something important I need to tell you. It is very, very important. It concerns you and I.
Vomit while you're here.
Mama, it is about Ekeze. There is a new media. Ekeze is going after her. If care is not taken, she will take me away from us.
Get out of this place!
Mama, you don't understand the situation. We need to.
Get out of here before I pour you hot water! Leave!
It's about Ekeze.
I said leave!
Mama,
officer, leave!
Ekeze,
Napu, leave.
Gigi, are you seeing? Are you seeing it? You don't see what is funny? Hi, no wonder you are not seeing my love, because you always see me with your eyes. Okay, now see me through your heart. You see that I have plenty of love for you. The love I have for you is falling like this. I love you so much. Gigi.
You are going crazy. In fact, you have gone crazy.
Crazy is this. I'm mad. In fact, mad, crazy is the younger. Mad is the senior. The one that I'm suffering from is the insane. Even my mother used to say it, that I'm already insane. I'm insane because of your love. That's what love causes. I love you so much, and I am willing to do anything just for you to accept my proposal. Gigi, please now.
Wait, someone get fed by a mountain. You say you can do anything for me.
Hey! Just mention it. Anything you mention, just mention it. I will do it immediately.
Can you dance?
Dance?
Cook. You say you can do anything for me. Juzegi, can you dance? The same dance.
Dance?
You know, on the day of our wedding, on the day of our marriage, you're supposed to dance very well. So if you know you love me very well, you see we get to pay more ubelas of how that our wedding day is going to look like.
Gigi, that one is different. On the day of our marriage, of course, I will dance. Let's wait that one for
all this your love confession for me is useless. You don't love me. If you love me, you won't stand there arguing with me. You start dancing immediately. And your love is wasted that. Let's go.
Okay, wait. Gigi. Okay, wait. I will dance.
Start dancing, okay?
Okay, let me dance for you.
I am looking for my love. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my love. Gigi. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi. I am looking for my sengemenge. Gigi. Njide ka love mo. Abokwana mobi. Njide ka blush ba. Abokwana mobi. My sengemenge blush ba. Abokwana mobi. Njide ka love me. Abokwana mobi. Gigi. Abokwana mobi. Gigi na ngude na chogi. Abokwana mobi. Njide ka love mo le chaba. Abokwana mobi. My sengeme. Abokwana mobi. Where is my sengemenge? Abokwana mobi. Njide ka blush ba. Abokwana mobi. Gigi.
Masinachi. Oh man is worth dying for.
You don't understand. Because he's the only man I've ever loved.
What you feel for him is not love, but lust. Huh? You have to be careful with your heart. You have to guard your heart, otherwise you will end up like your mother. Look, your mother loved your father so much. Or should I think she thought she loved him so much? But where is he? He ran away for so many years now, leaving your mother with just you. And never to return. And for all I know, he may have died.
My father is not dead. My father is alive and I know he will come back.
That aside, you need to get your eyes off a man that has eyes on other maidens. If Ekeze loves you like he claims, let him come. Let him come and pay your bride price. Let him assume responsibilities like other young men in this town, not being involved with every maiden and not being committed to anyone. Masinachi, come. Please stop crying.
Master, you don't look good this morning. What is bothering you?
I'm fine.
Master, I don't look fine.
That meeting that came here yesterday, the one I gave free clothes, how well do you know? Do you know anything about it?
That beautiful maiden. Seems you like her. I'm sorry, Master.
My love.
Good morning. Njideka, what are you doing here this early?
Love, what kind of question is that? You should be hugging me, rubbing me with smiles. I dreamt about you last night. Besides, I brought you food.
Thank you. I'll be with you shortly.
Where are you going to? I'm here.
Let me get something. I'll soon be back. Anything you need, Maduka will attend to you.
The food.
Asama, wait. Asama, Biko. Asama, wait. Asama, please, I have something to tell you. Asama, wait. Asama, wait. No, Asama, please.
Asama, I'm very sorry about the last time. Please forgive me.
Why did you stop?
I finally realized we need each other to work as a team. We need to help each other achieve our goals.
It's okay. No problem. But we need to invite Uzoma for this.
Uzoma? Why?
What were you thinking? That you were the only one in this? Nne, Ayebuka, we are many. But we have to invite Uzoma. She has a better knowledge to our plight.
Oh my sweet cassava, baby tomato.
Greetings. Ichie Bonze.
Oh yeah. Ekeze, how are you?
Very fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I would like to see your daughter.
My daughter? Is anything wrong? Aku Asoka! Aku! I had some palm wine. Let me find you. Ah, okay. Oh, Aku, you have a visitor.
Greetings.
Greetings to you too.
Aku, take care of him. I'm going to the farm. Huh? I'll be back soon.
I want to marry you. You are the kind of woman I have always wanted. The kind of woman I want to make my wife.
What do you know about me?
I do not need to know everything about you. The much I know is enough. I will learn more with time. I'm a very patient man. But that does not even matter. What matters is that I love you. Love conquers all.
I love you too. What?
No but. No but. You love me and I love you. That's all that matters. What else should we be asking for? I am ready to give you everything. Believe me, with me you will never lack anything. I will give you everything you need and I'll always be there for you. Forever.
Are you sure you will always be there for me?
Yes, I am sure. And to prove that to you, just say yes. Say yes and I will marry you right now.
Please. I would like us to take it slowly.
Aku! Aku!
I've done a background check on her. Her name is Aku, the daughter of Igbo.
Should we beat her up?
Calm down. We have to strategize and execute this plan so that it won't have any trace on us.
I hate that Aku. She thinks she can come from no land and take our
Your
man.
blood is too hot.
You're talking about Aku. What of Njideka? That girl is a threat to us.
Let's keep Njideka aside. Her time will come. Let's focus more on Aku. Then Njideka will come later.
So what is the plan now?
What are you doing here? You have still not answered my question. As you can see, I have a visitor. So please leave my compound.
Akom, I really like you so much. That is the reason I'm here.
Oh, you like me?
Yes.
Thank you for liking me. Now you can leave.
But huh? You want her to insult you before you leave? Huh? You talk to a girl calmly, huh? It's one also. Go walk another side, my friend. Get out. Get out of here. Sorry for the interruption. Can we continue?
Once you get hold of her, make sure you do that.
So the one make guy. So what do you want to say?
May hold the tissue, you don't should go without which to town now.
Yeah, but Ikena, I heard you went to see Ako yesterday and you were humiliated. Newscaster, who told you? It's no longer news. It's no longer news that you were humiliated at Ichie Ikunze's compound. And I'm sure that was when you told me you wanted to go and see your grandmother. So Ako has now become your grandmother up here.
So is that why I am here this early morning? No, is this what you have to tell me this early morning? Eh?
How could you? Ikena, how could you? How could you tell her you love her when you know I am the one that loves her more?
Look at this, Mr. Lover. Look, let me tell you, I am no more your problem. Yes, there is someone else in the picture. Mr. Lover. Yes, Ako looked me in the eyes and told me she was in love with AKZ. Yes, she is in love with AKZ.
AKZ again? But I don't seem to get it. Why are all the maidens flocking around that man? Why?
You know, sometimes I keep asking myself, how am I your friend? You remember AKZ?
What?
Lover boy.
AKZ again? But I don't seem to get it. Why do all these maidens flock around him? I mean, why do they go to him?
You know, sometimes I ask myself, how am I your friend? How are we friends? Because you ask useless questions. No, what did your father leave for you? Did your father leave anything for you? AKZ is the richest young man in this kingdom. And you're asking me what are the maidens saying that they are flocking around him. If you are a maiden, won't you follow him? In a June question.
We are here to see AKZ.
AKZ is not gone.
What confidence making is? Where did he go to?
You're asking me that?
My friend, answer the question. Is he not your master?
Well, no doubt he is my master. I've told you that AKZ is not at home. Then I think you maidens will have to wait until you get to see him. Then you ask him where he went to. As far as Mordecai is concerned, he doesn't owe you that.
We'll wait for him.
Wait a minute. He may take a very long time before he returns back. So I think you should reconsider your decision on waiting.
We will wait. We will wait.
Don't give me the impression that you maidens are trying to dodge some house chores. I mean, don't you have anything to do like going to fetch water, firewood for your mothers, rather than sitting here and waiting for a man who might not return till nightfall? But consider. Okay. There. If you are waiting for him, please, I advise you shift from that. Those materials are very expensive. That's why there are samples. Shift aside. Okay.
It's your sister. Don't leave her. It's always. What is there? Go. Are you mad? You.
Where's Ekeze? My friend, why are you making noise? Where is Ekeze? It's very important. Ekeze is not at home. What is it? Madoka, where is your master? My master is not at home. That was what I'm saying. He's not at home. Okay. When he comes back, tell him that some men are beating Aku at the Ekumwede. Akasoka. There. Hey! Who is beating Aku? Ekeze is not here. Okay, I'm not with him. Who is beating Aku? They are up to 50. Where? Wherever. Can you take me there? Let's go.
I thought she said he's not at home.
I'm as surprised as you made himself. I was thinking he's not at home.
I'm not. Why would you think that?
Maduka, you're a big fool. In my time here, you're a big fool.
See, I was thinking that because Ekeze, my master, said, Maduka, I am not at home. Tell that to whoever comes looking for me. You made him came around and I said, Ekeze, who you came looking for, is not at home. How is it my fault?
Maduka, you're a big fool. Jam.
It's
Let's get
No, come back and wait for Ekeze. Look at you. Come and wait for Ekeze. I'm looking for Ekeze. Oh, you are done, eh? Look at you too.
They said they want my cassava. Oh, my sweet cassava.
Hey! Huh?
Please help me and thank this boy. I know he helped me because he likes me.
Rest of you troublemaker. It's a lie. Ekeze, I did it because of her. She's the new latest maiden. Yes, not because of you. My love.
I said my love.
My love, what happened?
Two strange men came out of the bush and attacked me. Help me thank this maiden. She fought for me.
Njideka, thank you, eh? Thank you. Njide. Huh? Njide. Njide. Hey! Mude. Mude must hear this. Mude! Ganonka. Mude.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
My prince, I have always loved you. But I thought you may not have any feelings for me.
So, why are you telling me now?
I realize I don't have any other choice. I have to voice out. I have to open up. But, my prince, do you have any feelings for me?
I'm sorry, Ebere. I'm in love with your friend Njideka. I can't love two persons at the same time. I'm sorry, Ebere.
I understand. But no matter who you choose to love, I, Ebere, will always love you.
I'm sorry, Ebere. I'm really sorry.
I understand.
Wait, Ebere. Can you manage a little love? Yes, I can spare a little love. I just need to be sure.
My prince, I can live with a little love. I can live with a little love. Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you feeling now?
I'm fine. Thanks for your care.
You do not have to thank me. I love you.
I know.
If you know, then allow me to show you how much I love you.
You have shown me enough love.
I have not shown you enough. Just come with me. Let us go inside, and I will show you much more.
Come and show me.
Bia, our balance.
Which balance? Did you complete your assignment? You did not even touch her.
Why would you say a thing like that? Huh? When we had already beaten her up before she was rescued.
Then you did not beat her enough. So why are you people disturbing me about your balance?
Keep quiet there. So be about what? See, you are talking rubbish. You better make our balance available or you get everything.
Fine. I don't have the money with me now. But give me a little time. I will bring it myself. Don't come looking for me.
A little time, you said? Okay.
See, you better make that balance available or you see me.
Come, let's go.
Nonsense. Yeah, this is. Jump from my car. Jump from here.
And what did you do?
Nothing.
Something in me was telling me to pick a big stick and break his head. I understand that feeling. to think that I did everything for her. I would have allowed those men to beat her very well. That is... Titole.
My sister, what are you going to do now?
Enough about me. Tell me, how did you go with the prince?
We are not here to talk about me, but you.
Forget, leave the matter. How did he go? Did you see him?
Yes, I did.
You did? Did you tell him what I asked you to tell him? So what did he say?
He said he would love me small.
Prince on what kind of talk is that? Love you small.
Njideka, I am okay with a little love. I am fine with that small love in which he has offered me.
I understand. Little love.
I'm fine. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with small love.
To tell you the truth, I prefer a berry to Njideka.
Why?
I still love in her eyes whenever she comes visiting. Haven't you taken your time to observe her whenever she's close to you? That maiden is in love with you. And if you should lose her, you will not find a better maiden.
I still don't understand your sudden change of heart. You agreed to help me get in Njideka. And here you are talking about a maiden that is supposed to help execute that. Something is telling me that my sister has been compromising.
That will never happen. I am your sister, and the best of you is what I want. Focus your attention on Abere and let go of the feeling of Njideka.
My daughter.
Welcome.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see Ekezi.
Ekezi. And what are you carrying in your hands?
Oh, food.
Food?
Yes. I'm going to give it to Ekezi.
That is okay, that's alright. Okay.
Bye-bye, Papa.
I'll make sure you come back early enough, eh?
Okay.
Mama.
Where are you going to this early morning?
Mama, I want to go and see Ekezi, my love.
Ekezi? Okay. Let me not wait for you.
I won't be long. Oburoko my fault. Oburoko my fault. Woke up na maluma jidego no masaga dilili loyal. If they want my cassava, oh my sweet cassava. They say they want my cassava, oh my sweet cassava. No be my fault, oh my sweet cassava. Would they don't cry, oh my sweet cassava. Shade they give you.
Good morning, Maduka.
Hey, Akwasaka. Good morning, man. You're welcome.
How are you, Obinna?
I'm fine. Come on, Alice. Sit.
Is your master?
He went somewhere. He will be back soon. Yes.
Okay.
You're welcome.
My lord.
Master, welcome. You're welcome, Master.
Good morning, my love.
Good morning. How are you? And what do you have in your hand?
I brought you breakfast.
Breakfast? For me?
Yeah.
Don't I just? You know what I need at every point of time. Come.
I hope you like your food.
I love love it. I'm even asking myself, what did you put inside this corn while boiling it? Is there any other thing you put? Because as I'm eating it, my body is starting to... as if my body is no longer my body.
What is going on here? Ekezi, what in God's name is going on here? What is she doing in your house?
Jideka, you're welcome.
Answer my question because Jideka, you're welcome. What is she... What can I talk?
Huh? What has come over you?
You must be very stupid to have asked me that question.
Bia, don't insult my man.
Shut up, you ingrate.
Jideka!
You ingrate.
My love, come this way. Now that is enough. You heard me? Enough! Leave my compound now. I said leave my compound now!
You are asking me, Jideka. Ekezi, you are asking me, Jideka, out of your compound.
You made me say it again. Get out.
You are no longer a child, my son. I expect you to bring one maiden and show me.
When I find one, Father, I'll bring her forth.
Time is of essence. Show me one maiden or I'll find one for you.
Father, you can't find a wife for me. I'm no longer a child.
You see, your brother is not getting any younger. If I should join my ancestors without seeing my grandchildren from him, I will not have a happy death.
Father, you're not dying any soon.
Show me a maiden and make me happy.
Father, you don't have to worry. Once I find one, I will bring her forth to you.
Look, they all want me. All the maidens in this village. That's it. But the bitter truth is, they cannot all have me. I can't share myself amongst everybody. They cannot have me.
So you did not have anything to do with her?
My love, you're not even listening to me. I have nothing to do with her. Not at all. And maybe she has been having imaginations of, what she wants to do to me and with me. But that is strictly her problem, not mine. I have nothing to do with her.
You know I'm new here. I don't want any clash with any maiden. Especially in Jideka. She seems like a troublesome maiden.
So much.
And if I have to clash with her because of you, I beg you leave me.
Hey, don't go there. Because I'll just die. Believe me, when I met you, I told you the kind of person I am. You see all these maidens, I've not been to speak. I don't even go close to them. They all want me, but me, I keep running away because I'm a very shy person. Until I met you and I started having feelings for you and I opened up to you. Put yourself in my position. Would you just give up like that? Somebody you love, the only person you've ever loved.
You know my problem with you.
Problem with me? What is it?
You're so sweet with words.
Oh, I'm scared. After money is you, once I start speaking, the truth always comes out from my mouth. That's just it.
My brother, why would you do such a thing?
She caused it.
How did she cause it? When she said you sent out of it because of another woman.
She didn't tell you she threw my food away. Huh? She even fought my customer. Customer nego me ezigbo akwa here or the mma.
You won't blame her. When she said she saw you with another maiden, every woman will do what she did. I only came here to tell you that you should go and apologize to her.
Are you drunk? Ojiowu, I will do no such thing. I will not apologize to her. Hear me? Count yourself lucky that you are my cousin. I would have asked my boys to throw you out of my country.
What?
Yes.
And how is my love doing today?
Oh. Love of my life. The love of my life. Oh. I missed you. How are you? Oh, I was missing you too. But I'm here now, eh? Ifemneli.
Akwasoka, what are you doing here? So this is where you have been?
Aku! Why are you crying? What is it?
Nothing.
You can't tell me nothing. Why you are crying? Who is that man?
It's in my past. It belongs to my past. Now my past is haunting me.
I don't understand. Aku!
There was practically no man who did not know Akwasoka in Omoba. She slept with almost all the men in Omoba. To tell you how well I know her, she even slept with my two brothers. Come. Are you sure of what you are saying?
Akwasoka was the only Onyinye of my village. That is Onyoninka. In fact, she almost shattered the family of one man she had something with.
Shattered his family?
How? She was sleeping with the man and the son also.
Hey! That means she was sleeping with everybody.
Akwasoka nenye. I'm saying onenye.
Hey. Did you sleep with her? See, don't do just tell me the truth. Did you also sleep with her?
Well, if that will make you feel better, one day, and sharp.
Njideka one name. You should have been there. So, what did he say?
He did not say anything much. But see, he acknowledged that he knew her.
So what else did she tell you about him?
When I ran after her, she told me that it belongs to her past. But I strongly believe, I that there is something dirty. There is something dirty that is in that her past. Judging from her crying, if there is something dirty in that her past.
Girl, that is good for them. As far as I'm concerned, they don't exist to me.
What are you going to do now?
About what?
It is obvious that AKZ will not go back to her. With his caliber, he can't go back to someone like that, so as not to dent his reputation. My dear, our advice, go back to him.
It's again, may the gods forbid. Never! For that love, it does not exist again.
Why are you talking like this? But you loved him.
And singing at the love of Bagoko. Hey! Please.
My daughter, whatever you have done is in the past. You told me that you have changed, and I believe you. I believe you. Whatever you do today will affect you tomorrow. By the way, have you met with AKZ?
You will not want to see me again. I failed him.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay.
AKZ Wokike. Hi. I learned you have found a new love in Iche Ikponzu's daughter, Ako. You see, I kept saying it, that love is a beautiful thing. I'm so happy for you. AKZ, now that you have found a new love, can you please leave Njideka for me? I'm not here to fight you. Did I come with machete? You know, because Njideka is the woman I love. The only love of my life. The only woman that makes my heart beat. Man to man. Big one baby.
Enough.
Prostitute, what are you doing here? We have numerous men here to quench your fire.
Maybe there is a man hidden in the bush beside river, waiting for her. Lele, Akuna.
Akuna. Prostitute. I knew it. I knew there was more to you than meets the eyes. Akuna. Look at you. Kevin, where are you going to? Where do you think you are going to? Where Akuna? I heard you are a free donor. Free donator. Kezaya. Anum Nina Eke Gogo. Look at you. You are finished. Mena, you're just go gika. You're just chaff. Look at you. You're not just a million. Akuna. You shouldn't have allowed her to go. Come, keep quiet. Because Yebe, what is different between you and her? Is it because your own secret is not in the open yet?
Thank the gods. Me, I don't have any secret.
They say, you don't have any secret. Arikwa, you don't have any secret. But anytime you are passing, you be shaking your bottomless backside. Why are you shaking it for? Is it not for men to see you?
I'm not a dirty maiden.
Don't worry, in this village, I'm not going to travel and I'm not going to die. One day, all your secrets will be exposed. Look at them. And you, I'm not done with you yet. No, come and tell me that you're not a dirty maiden. I'm not here. Don't
You're not acting like the Masinachi that I know.
How do you mean?
You are here lamenting, and the object of your lamentation is free for you.
Ekezi does not love me anymore. Ekezi does not have my time anymore.
The maiden in question, is she not Ikponze's daughter? The one I heard was a prostitute. A mere prostitute. And you think Ekeze would ever have anything to do with her? My dear, the time is now. Take it and use it. This is the best opportunity you've ever gotten to make Ekeze yours.
How can I go closer to him when he's never coming closer to me?
If he's not coming, then you go. If he's not coming closer to you, go closer to him.
I cannot go closer to him, you don't understand. Ekeze is not coming to me.
Look, this is your chance. Take it by force. This is the time for you to make Ekeze yours forever. I've told you, take it and stop crying here.
Friend think you can toy with us. Okay?
Stop that! Stop it, I said!
Nne, don't even try to interrupt us.
Stop the big I said!
Nne, we'll beat this girl. Do you know what she has done?
What did she do? What did she do?
Once you get hold of her, you should do that.
So, the one Makega. So what do you want to say?
balance.
Which balance? Did you complete your assignment? You did not even touch her.
Why would you say a thing like that? Huh? When we had already beaten her up before she was rescued.
Then you did not beat her enough. So why are you people disturbing me about your balance?
Keep quiet there. So be about what? See, you are talking rubbish. You better make our balance available or you get everything.
Fine. I don't have the money with me now. But give me a little time. I'll bring it myself. Don't come looking for me.
A little time you said? Okay.
See, you better make that balance available or you see me.
Come, let's go.
Nonsense. Yeah, this is. Jump from my car. It's your fault. Come here.
So you paid 200 to beat up a maiden?
No, where's up?
Is it true?
No, where's up?
Meshonu, see, the most painful thing is the actual amount she agreed to pay us, she refused to pay us.
Sorry to disturb you then.
Oh yes, thank you now.
Hey, Oza. What happened to you? Those guys we hired, they beat me up. I thought I was the only one. They beat you too. Hey. I'm sorry. Greetings.
Greetings to you too, beautiful maiden. My name is Ekezie. I own this place.
Really?
Yes.
You have a nice place.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Aku.
Aku. That should be Aquasoka. Aquasoka. Soka who? What a beautiful name for a beautiful maiden.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Boys.
Yes, master.
Whatever she wants to buy, do not take money from her. Huh?
Yes, master.
Aquasoka, anything you want to buy, free. Huh? Yes, do not pay.
Thank you very much,
It's
sir.
okay, just make your selection. It's all for free, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay, take your time. I have beautiful clothes here. And then inside, I even have finer ones. So when you're done, please, come check inside.
Thank you.
Yes, master. Yes, master. You like that one? Check that one. You like it.
Even that one there. They are all good.
See that animal skin? If you don't like these ones, there are finer ones inside. You can go inside and check.
Okay.
Alright. There's no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. No problem. Just that I want us to talk. Eh? See, the moment I saw you in there, hey, I fell in love with you immediately. I don't even know what happened to me. My body just started shaking. I was confused. I didn't know what I was doing. You know, I'm usually not used to this. You know, I just saw you. I don't know what happened to me. I fell in love with you immediately. Please, something in me told me immediately I saw you that I have seen my woman. So I decided to talk to you. Please. Just be my woman, I promise you. You see, sadness, you will never experience it in this life ever again. Oh?
I'm sorry. I cannot be your woman. I'm not into what you're interested in. I can only become a wife when the time is right.
Why you know? What do you think I'm trying to say? You see, I'm not very good with words. I'm a very shy person. Honestly, this is the first time I'm approaching a woman like this. For one, you two, just pardon me. Oh, be my wife, marry me.
I cannot marry you.
Don't say this. Do not see what I'm saying. I understand where you're coming from. But
Ekezie.
as I'm morning.
I'm not happy with you. You have abandoned me. You have to go.
How did I abandon you? Huh? How did I abandon you?
You don't come around to check on me again. At least, I love you. Is it fair?
If I make it on the money. This is a customer that just bought clothes for me and was trying to see if she can buy more. Ichunai or the ma.
Ekezie, where are you going to? Ekezie, my love! Ekezie, come back! Ekezie!
There was practically no man who did not know Akwasoka. No more. She slept with almost all the men in Omoba. To tell you how well I know her, she even slept with my two brothers.
Come. Are you sure of what you are saying?
Akwasoka was the only Onyinye of my village. That is Onyonyenka. In fact, she almost shattered the family of one man she had something with.
Shattered his family?
How? She was sleeping with the man and the son also.
Hey! That means she was sleeping with everybody.
Akwasoka nenye. I was thinking, oh nenye.
Hey. Did you sleep with her? See, don't do just tell me the truth. Did you also sleep with her?
Well, if that will make you feel better, one day, they put a quarrel and a room sharp.
Good afternoon. Ekezie, how are you?
I'm fine.
Why didn't you open your shop today? And where are your boys?
I gave them the day off.
Oh, okay. I've missed you. Ekezie, what's this attitude for? What have I done wrong? Ekezie, I thought you loved me. But I've noticed lately that you no longer have my time. Is it because of the new maiden? Okay, fine. I know she's beautiful. But I can still love you better than she will ever do. Please. I love you.
Are you done?
Please. I love you.
Are you done talking?
Yes, I've finished.
Get out of my compound.
Please.
I said, get out of my compound. Now!
Che Bonza, greetings.
How are you?
Fine. I would like to see your daughter.
My daughter? I don't know where she is. I've been searching for her for a while now.
Searching for?
Yes.
Where could she have gone?
I don't know. I don't really know. I'm worried. I want to go in search of her.
Okay, let me go with you.
Ah.
Prostitute. Look at you. Oh, you're crying. You've not started crying, no. This is just the beginning. Prostitutes like you are not supposed to get married. Cover your face in shame. Iwaru. Akunike.
Aqua Soka.
Akunwam. My only daughter.
Aqua Soka.
My only daughter. Chukwaya Kwakwa.
She will be found.
Chukwaya Kwakwa.
I believe she's alright.
Eh?
Aqua Soka.
My only daughter.
Aqua Soka.
God forbid bad thing. Aku! Aqua Soka! Na nile likwa na mbikoni.
Aqua Soka.
Ikenna, did you see my daughter?
Your daughter? That prostitute?
Eh? You call my... No!
Wait,
Why must you call my daughter prostitute?
Mazi, you should be beating your daughter. She's bringing shame to your family. She's bringing shame to your family, Mazi. I saw her heading to Ikoro Forest. Maybe she's there with another man that will have her for free.
I can't take this anymore. I have nothing to live for. I can't take this shame anymore. Life is worthless. With the news spreading around about me. Even Ekezie, the man I love, I can't stand him anymore.
I'm here for you. Do not do it.
I know you hate me.
I do not hate you, my love. I love you. I've always loved you and I still love you. Whatever you did in the past, it's all in the past. It does not matter. What matters right now is what you do from this moment. I love you, Akwasoka. I love you so much, very much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Do not do it, please.
Love one thing, love is a sweet thing, love is adorable, love so. Love one thing, love is a sweet thing, love is adorable, love is a misery. As you're busy loving somebody with all your heart, little will you know, little will you know.
Mama, who is there? You are here?
Yes, I'm here.
Welcome. Now where are you going to? I want to go and get that firewood we left behind the tree. Near that Oji Junction. Near my Oji Junction. I will be back before you finish cooking. No problem, Mama. Don't come.
I am looking for my love. Gigi.
What? Wait. Who's that? I said to rub my back, not to beat me. Sorry. Go. Take it easy. Sorry. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Sure. Is it okay? Or should I rub it more?
You can go.
Okay.
You fast. You can come and close
I am looking for my love.
I'm coming, I'm bringing it.
Do fast,
Okay.
I am looking for my sengemenge.
I'm bringing it.
I have come to make my confirmation.
What confirmation, my prince?
I know you have something with him. So I want you to tell me, who do you want to be your husband? I'm a prince, the heir apparent to the throne of who made the kingdom. He's just a commoner. The choice is yours. Whatever you decide, I will abide. You are made for me. You are my wife. And I promise to take good care of you. Don't mind him. He's just a commoner.
Baby, wait, I'm sorry. Sorry.
I wish you well. You made your decision. I know I'm not a prince. Like you said, I'm a commoner. But I don't have to give up in my life. I just have to wait for the gods to give me my own maiden that is going to appreciate my love and love me for who I am. You made your choice. I wish you luck.
Udem, I'm sorry. You are the one I want. Yes. You are the one my heart beats for. Just like your heart beats for me. I love you. He might be the crown prince, but I don't care.
Are you serious? Yes, come here. Thank you so much. You sure? Thank you. I thank you. I am looking for my love. Njide, kalavo. I am looking for my love. Njide kalavo me. I am looking for my love. Gigi, njide kalavo mo. I am looking for my sengemenge. Gigi, njide kalavo mo.
If Jerry is a maiden, then why hasn't he shown her to me?
He is holding himself back, Father.
Why will he be wasting his time on a maiden that loves him?
He is waiting on another maiden who doesn't care about him.
You see, my son, when it comes to marriage, it's always better for you to marry the one that loves you more and you love less, rather than the one that you love more. Because the one that you love more might not sacrifice as much as the one that loves you less. But you see, we have a reservoir of maidens where you can select anyone you like. But from what your sister just told me, I know you have a special one. That's my boy. Do the needful. Time is of essence.
I've heard you, Father. Can I take my leave now?
You can take your leave.
What is the matter? Why are you crying, Ebere?
Nothing. It's nothing.
I want to find out something from you.
My princess, what is it? Do you really love my brother, Prince Ifadigo?
You know I do.
I want to really confirm. How much do you love him?
I love him with everything in me. I love him with every breath in me. It means the whole world to me.
Good. I will...
Your brother is here.
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. You didn't tell me you are coming here. How are you, Ebere?
I'm fine, my prince.
I've thought about everything that has happened. At the end, one thing came to my mind, which I must do. It's obvious that you love me.
Yes.
I apologize for making you wait all this while. I'm the crown prince. Someday, I'll be king. And I want to have a strong woman rule this land with me. I've come to realize that that woman is you. Please, Ebere, will you marry me?
Father, I present to you my chosen lady.
I praise.
My son, shall be well with you. May the gods bless you with joy. May the gods bless you with happiness. May the gods bless you with peace. May the gods grant you male children. Female children. Children that will be source of happiness to you. May the gods give you happiness all around you. And to everyone around you.
We made a lot of sense today.
Ever since I'm Ma.
Why are the plates inside not washed?
Don't worry. We wash it now. Let's go.
Ah, my beautiful wife.
Welcome.
Oh.
I missed you, Prince.
And I missed our baby.
I made lots of sales today. Let me show you.
You made all this money?
Yes.
Hey, go and get it.
Hi. Since you came into my life, it's been blessings upon blessings. Thank you. Let me tell you what happened today when I went out.
So, what are we going to do now?
How do you mean?
Are you asking me what I mean? Now that all the best maidens have been taken, what are we left with? There is still Princess Adora. See, I have to strategize and marry her. But if she doesn't agree to that, I think I will go for Uzoma. I think so too. Uzoma is best for you. Yes, I think so. Yes, I know so. I also think she's the God's choice for me. Because I don't know what else to do. Exactly. How about you? What your opinions are you? I think I'll go for Masinachi. You know her. I think I'll marry Masinachi. You know, she still has... you know what I'm talking about.
Oh my sweet cassava, baby tomato. Oh my sweet cassava, take a potato. Shey they give you sugar to lick, you go vomit am. Abi if they give you honey to lick, you go say no. Papa no be my fault way, mama no be my fault way, papa no be my fault way. Fine ladies they like me, mama no be my fault way. Some men they jealous me. Oburo for my fault, oburo for my fault. Woke up na maluma jide go no masaga dilili loyal. If they want my cassava, oh my sweet cassava. They say they want my cassava, oh my sweet cassava. No be my fault, oh my sweet cassava. Mood they don't cry, oh my sweet cassava. Shey they give you sugar to lick, you go oh say no. Cassava. Oh my sweet cassava, oh my sweet cassava. Abi they give you honey to lick, you go oh say no. Cassava. Oh my sweet cassava, oh my sweet cassava. My name is Ekezie, oh my sweet cassava. I didn't want some ejigwamu kochi kochi, oh my sweet cassava.